going on, everybody? It's your girl, SnkrMom here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Air Jordan 13 playoffs. Let's get into it. Start out with this box. It's the same normal Jordan 13 box, just all gray with the red Jumpman on top. That's pretty much it for the box, besides it being all gray. So let's go ahead and read the front of the tag, and it reads Air Jordan 13 Retro, and the colorway is black, true red, and white. Let's get into the insides. Opening up the box, pretty much nothing, same as normal. I don't even see a stamp of approval on the top. Same, just white tissue paper, nothing spectacular. So let's go ahead and get into the main ingredient of this video, and that is the Air Jordan 13 playoffs. I just like to say I'm excited. I'm excited that these finally came back out. I remember them way back in 1998 when I got them, back when I was in, I'm going to say middle school maybe? I can't remember. Neither here nor there. I had them. I loved them back then. That's when I used to play basketball in them. So, of course, I wanted them. Everybody had them just so we could play in. But now they came back out, it's like, man, it brings back so many memories. And I just love this shoe. But as of now, I just can't see myself wearing them just to wear, just for fashion-wise. I still see them as a basketball shoe, but overall it's very clean. So I had to pick these up for the mister, because this was one of his top favorite shoes that he had always wanted, because he wasn't able to get them back in the day, back when they first came out. So of course I had to get these from on the shop drop, when they shop dropped. I'm gonna say it was February the 2nd when they shop dropped on Sneakers app, and I was able to cop them, and I'm satisfied, and I know he is too. But just a very nice, clean shoe. I know you got everybody different opinions about these 13. They don't sell. They're bricks. I mean, hey, it's up to you what you like. If this is what you like, then you buy it. You don't buy shoes because of resale, unless you're a reseller. Me, not a reseller, so I get these shoes for us to wear, and these right here, these were the ones, and I'm excited that they actually came back out. This is a men's size, so this is a men's size 10, so I'm reviewing them from in a men's size. I didn't get my size in GS sizes, which I'm still on the fence, because I'm kind of just thinking, should I just get them just to have in the collection anyway? So I'm on the fence with it. I got another day or so I can get them, because got these early. So they come out on Saturday, which is I think the 18th. So I still got some time to think if I want to get them or not. But overall, it's just a very clean shoe. So let's go ahead and get into the aspects of the shoe. It's just a normal Jordan, Air Jordan 13. Looks the same as that way. You got a nice dimpled leather on the side, right here on the side panels. Very nice, good leather quality. Can't go wrong. You can see all the good creases within the leather. Very nice quality. You got that nice suede right here on the bottom of the side of the shoe right here, going all the way to the side right here. You got this nice emblem right here. They got the inside. I think it was a 23, and then the Jordan right there on the inside of the little piece that's on every Jordan 13. Very nice. Going to the heel, you still got that nice suede in the back, that black suede. Looking on the inside, you just got a Jumpman that's red on the inside with that nice black sock liners. Back of the tongue, nothing, same normal as every other tongue. Gonna flip back to this side of the shoe where you still got a nice dimpled leather on the side panel of the shoe. Nice suede. Then you got a nice black and white midsole right here that's on the side. And then the midsole is kind of suede right here on top of the midsole. But then once you get to the bottom with these little pod things on the bottom, you got the white rubber. And then we're gonna flip to the bottom of the shoe. As you can see, you still got that all white rubber with those hints of red on the bottom of the shoe also. And then we got that legendary Jumpman right there on the bottom, and that hologram. And then we still got that carbon fiber also on the bottom of the shoe, which is on every Jordan 13. Also, very nice, very clean shoe. Brings back so many memories. I know a lot of people saying that they're not exactly like the OG pair. I mean, they're close enough. I mean, come on, y'all. Just let it go. Every shoe is not going to be exactly the same, but these right here are close enough for me, and I like them, and I think they was a very dope shoe. I'm glad that Jordan brand brought these back out. And yeah, y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about these. Are you going for them when they come out on this Saturday, February 18th? Are you gonna pass? I think they retail in men's sizes $210. We wish 100, right? 210, grade school 150, and then I think they go down from there overall, nice, clean. I like them. Can't go wrong with them. Tongue, you still got that normal Jumpman in red right there with that outline of that yellow on the circle. You got a yellow Jordan right here on the front of the toe of the shoe also. Black laces. Clean, y'all. I love them. This was the right shoe. Left shoe looks the same as that way. You just got an all black upper. Black with leather suede upper. Same normal hologram. I mean, y'all know what the Jordan 13 look like. And these are the playout ones. First came out back in 1998. This was his signature shoe. Won a couple of championships in these shoes, and yeah, I like them. I loved them back then, and I still like them now, and I'm glad they brought them back out. But if you're going for them, you shouldn't have a hard time getting them. I'm quite sure they're going to sit for a little bit, just because a lot of people is not into 13s. Me personally, I just feel as though I can't wear 13s anymore as a fashion, but to hoop in, yeah. But just as wearing them with some jeans or something, I don't feel like they look right on my foot, but that's just me. I love the way they look on other people's feet, so it's just some shoes that I can put on and I'll be like, yeah, this me, and some shoes I can put them on and be like, nah, I can't wear those anymore, and these are one of the ones, but I love the way they look on his feet. So, of course, that's why I got them for him. But overall, clean shoe. I like them. Y'all let me know what y'all think about them. And let me know, are you going to go for them or are you going to pass? But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. This was a Jordan 13 playoffs. Just a tad bit, couple of day early look. Actually been had them, but just not dropping the video. So just a little, about 2 days early look. But there's so many videos out there. I know everybody's seen them by now. So this is just my little 2 cents on them. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. But that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. So if you're new to watching my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. And until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.